Hi, I'm Mac Machine. In this video, I went to Aquatica in Orlando, which is a SeaWorld owned water park. I rode some very cool water slides and probably the most scariest water slide in the world. And I invite you to join me. Shall you? Hey, good afternoon, y'all. Yesterday, I went to Aquatica, SeaWorld Orlando's water park. I did not record that much since I actually went just to enjoy myself since it was my first time there. But I figured I could show you guys what I did. I was planning to record more at the time, but I just lost track of time. We were just having fun there. So I went on 4 different water slides, or 5 different water slides, but I didn't go on Cassie's underwater adventure because that was down due to water contamination, according to what the lifeguard said. So I was very happy how the Insta360 X3 performed in the water, honestly. And they actually had some pretty cool water slides, and probably one of the most scariest water slides, the drop one that they have. But I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll show you guys the clips right now. said, overall, I really thought this was a very good water park. But this one's more for like thrill seekers. It's more for like thrill seekers like me, more than like the Disney fans. This water park, I feel like it's just more meant for like the thrill seekers. You did have that drop one you guys saw. Then you have one that goes like up a spike, down a spike, back and forth, up a spike and down a spike, like a half plank for like the skateboarders. I feel like this water park is more meant for thrill seekers. And that lazy river is actually very aggressive. I think actually that's the best lazy river we have in Orlando. But it's more meant for the thrill seekers, not like for the Disney lovers. And luckily I'm a thrill seeker and I happen to like Disney at the same time, but that's a different story. But it's more meant for thrill seekers. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you like more water park content, just let me know in the comment section. I am making a video on Typhoon Lagoon again soon, so hope you guys have a good rest of your day.